You do it.
A lot of people chase. Police are looking for 25-year-old
Christopher was nowhere to be found.
Camping.
Perhaps it happened 9 years earlier. It was the deciding factor.
Cambry.
Sending him off to Samoa.
Was going through
Cambry.
and found a
Cambry.
murder.
Cambry did patty cake. Patty cake and baker man. Bake me a cake. Patty cake and baker man. Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? Oh, patty cake and patty cake. Patty cake and patty cake. Yeah. Patty cake and baker man.